Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm going to show you a classic Breville problem. So let's go ahead and press the coffee button as if you're going to make coffee. And you can see a little bit of water, but not much. It's mostly just steam and a little tiny drip. Next, we're going to take out 2 screws with a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, 1 and 2. And then we're going to remove these caps on the back of the machine so we can get to 3 more screws. 1, 2, 3. And if you have trouble removing those caps, you can drill them out. You don't need them, and they'll be covered up by the water tank. Next, we're going to remove the Phillips head screws. Use your number 2 screwdriver again. Sometimes these screws are rusted. If that's the case, comment below and I can try to help you get them out. And then we're going to remove these 5 upper screws on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you're going to remove the bean hopper, then take the top off, and then remove the back. Okay, so now we're going to gently put this back in place so we can test the pump and see if the pump is working. Now put the water tank in so we can actually pump water. And then I'm going to get a small cup to help. Well, I'm just going to skip it. So now I turn the machine on and let's see if water comes out. And so this, as you can see, water is not coming out, and so now we know that the pump is bad. Thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.